Thanks. First of all, thanks to give me this opportunity. So my name is Hari Krishna. So today my topic is P2P process and FITM integration. So first of all, we need to understand why we are P2P cycle and what is the agenda, what is purpose, real time how is working like that. And second thing, what is FITM integration? Where is it happen? What is purpose? We have to so FITM integration. The real time scenarios I will going on explaining. First P2 process, okay. First P2 process is in real time what happened in what if you take example of manufacturing company is there. In the plant they want some material. So they want the material. So material they want also they ask for material from the store department. If store department is available, so they will provide to plant material. If the material is not available, so they request the finance department. So I need this type of material, this much of price. So so below this price maybe 10 lakhs, this much of quantity, this much of a price budget. I need a material. So they request from the so P2 procurement team. So you coming to PTO process, starting the purchase requisition. Here, purchase requisition department identify the needs, goods, services. PR. So what the plant request from material. So based on the recovery material, they creating on PO purchasing order here. Second thing, purchase order creation. Here, purchase order creation. Here, what is the vendor? So material types, price, quantity. So delivery times and payment terms each and every. So here is a PO creation we have to maintain here. And the second thing is the goods receipt. Once we receive the goods receipt, we have to check this one. So this correct or not, maybe any damage like that. Once a goods receipt, we have to make one entry like that. So inventory account it have to create a GRI account is there. So here is we make the create a GRI account. GRI means goods receipt and IR means invoice receipt. Why you make here a goods receipt? This temporary account. If receive the stock, maybe any damage like that. If you take any more quantity like that, you have to check the here. So after that, invoice verification, Miro. So once verification, we have to post one entry that debit is a GRI account that have to create is the vendor account. Uh, Vendor account. After Miro, we had to payment the vendor. So vendor it will amount vendor account it had to bank clearing account. So once bank clearing account, then we have to update the bank statement. You receive the bank statement from the bank statement from the end user uploaded to FF underscore 5. So entry will come like that. So may debit main clearing account there to credit is the main bank account. This is the process of the P2 process. Is the different purpose. The main purpose of the this cycle, the same process, it will cycle like that come here, P2 process. Now it will be P2 process. If you take any real-time example, for example, one real-time scenario is there. A company order raw material, for example, worth of 10,000 is there. A vendor goods receipt is there posted correctly. So this automatically what happened today? So make one order is there. After 5 days, we had to receive the stock. So coming to this one, maybe price fluctuation. Suddenly price is increasing. So the amount is 10,500 dollar. So how system is posting now? So now I would handle the mismatching. When you purchase at a creation, this invoice worth of is a $10,000. So received the stock value is $10,500. So here is a $500 is increasing. How? So we had to post our system. So here's three is the okay. How does the SAP handle invoice mismatching? E2 process. What is the system behavior? So what tolerance limit SAP invoice verification? So coming to this tolerance is there, we are invoice entire system is there. This limitation is there, tolerance limit like that. User, it in the system is not allowing like that. Updating PO pricing, invoice processing, request for the vendor, review the invoice like that. Here is come like three methods. One is price difference. Will be creating one price difference account is there. Here is you can loss like that. So we are creating one price difference account here. So otherwise you can reverse the entry like that. You have to, as per the company policy, you are a different company as per policy you have to maintain here. So it will come like that. This is P2 process. If you take one more scenario, purchase order with multiple accounting assignment. So business cases, for example, if you take our license is there, 5,000 want to split the cost between the department. So IT department 60%, finance department 40% is there. So how handle the multiple account assignment PO? How does SAP post accounting entries for such a transaction? So there is a expense account debit, expense account. This one we have to split the document like that. One is software. What is the investment like that? Expenses account 3,000, expense account 2,000 to vendor like that. There is a different scenario we have to use it. As per company policy, as client requirement, we have to follow this one as per company policy. This is a P2 process. Okay. Coming to FI migration, why we need to FI to integration? The purpose of FI to integration, we had to know. Yeah. So, what is the stock available our plant? In balance sheet purpose, to tally balance sheet purpose, we have to maintain the FITM integration. So FITM integration is depend the three factors. Okay, one is OBYC. In OBYC, we had automatic account determination. So in the second one, OMSK. In OMSK, would define valuation class. Which valuation class would raw materials, finished goods, what type of valuation class we're maintaining like that. So OMJJ, configuration movement type. What type of movement type? So one plant to another plant, you have to move movement type is there. Once you issue the goods from the one plant to another plant, in real time different plant is there. For example, if you take Hyderabad, one plant is there. So Chennai, one plant is there. If requirement one plant to had to go another plant, the movement type like that. Based on the movement type, you have to make configuration. These factors depends on the FITM integration. So coming to OBOYC, in OBOYC, what is the OBOYC is automatic configuration. Automatic configuration is link various validation related to the transaction like the BSX, WRX, PRD, GBRS. The key feature is the account based on the valuation class, valuation modifier, general modifier. So if you take an example, like a company purchase a raw material, like if you take steel, okay, this raw material. So BA6 is a transaction key. So inventory posting, so valuation class is 3,000. So valuation modifier is a plant, like the US, which plant is there. We can give a company code level, plant level. So configuration GL account. We are creating GL and inventory account for based on the GL account system automatic posting integration like that. So outcoming like goods receipt system automatically posting. If you come like that, inventory posting, GRIR clearing account, WRX is there. If you come any price difference, for example, purchasing, if at the time of a PO creation, $10,000 is there. Once you receive the stock, your price will increasing. So $500 increasing. Now how system is identified? So based on that's why you are creating PRD, price difference in OBYC settings. So GBP means offsetting for the inventory posting. Uh, Coming to OMSK, what is OMSK? OMSK define the valuation class. What is the valuation class? Valuation class is a grouping the material with a similar accounting category, GL accounting. For example, if you take a valuation class, use the material master data. You the determination of GL account material post during the so like goods receipt, invoice receipt, inventory adjustment. If you take example, manufacturing company produce the both raw material and finished goods is there. So if raw material is there, so 3,000. Finished goods is 7,920. Raw material is always it will price will fluctuation maybe up and down as per the market price will up and down coming. Finished good is a fixed this one. 3,000 system automatically given here. 7,920 system automatically here. So if you come output raw material purchase the system. So valuation class 3,000 is there. Post GL account is this inventory. So this 401 inventory account, whatever you're creating a GL account in FS00, that GL account we had to assign here in OBYC. For finished inventory, okay, valuation class 7,920. Coming to OMJJ. In OMJJ, what here given here? In OMJJ transaction is there movement type. Based on the movement type, we can identify the stock, where is it going. Maybe we have to stock here, we have to move from the production department, and we have to sell from the customers. So one plant, another plant. So each raw material had to create one movement type like that. 101 goods receipt, goods issue, stock. These are the movement type is there. Key features of a movement type define the GL account, identify the during the material transaction. So you can customize the movement, business needs, including the modifier, quantity, updating the stock posting. So if you take configuration, inventory posting, so if inventory posting is a OMJJ configuration, inventory posting is a transaction BSX raw material. Okay, a GRA clear account transaction WRX. So if you come output like that, so inventory value BSX, GRA clear account, this one. This one OMJJ, so transaction updating movement type. So the based on these factors, will update here. So I will show my system is there. I will. Can you please confirm my? Okay, 1 second. I save system. I will show it. See in OMJJ. Can you please see my screen? Save screen.
Yes, yes, sorry. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. You can see here OMJJ movement type is there. What is the exact? Based on our business, we have to take select from the movement type here. In OMJJ, boom type is the one. Sorry, here it is on the OMSK. See, in OMSK, you can maintain the validation classes there. In a validation class, what is the validation class here? Validation class and reference, account reference, description. So here is the semi-finished, finished goes is there. Or based on the validation class, we can see here, we can maintain like that. Server automatically disconnecting.
Yeah, I think some network issue.
Yeah. So this is validation class is there. You can select here. So moment like we had to creating in the validation class define. So and we had to go in OBYC. Here coming to OBYC. So main thing how so system identification here is the based on the account determination. Like determination, account determination and chart of account. So if we take this one raw material basics. See inventory post in BSX, you can put information like that. Once you are clicking by system automatically here. So here is linked with the chart of account. Okay. So based on the chart of account, so we can configuration here, information like that. So without chart of account is not open like that. You have to integration with like that, the chart of accounts. So once you click chart of accounts, our company chart of account is there. Here is a BS6. Okay. So now you can see here what is the valuation class here in valuation modifier and the valuation class account is there. Whatever you create in GL account, we can see here. So validation modifier and validation modifier you can give this a plant level or a chemical level. But in real time you are using mainly your plant level is there. So which plant you have to stock is there that you have to give plant here. The validation class here, what is the validation? Your raw material, finished goods, type of series there. We can create a we can select here like that. Raw material 3000. Okay. So validation of raw material, finished goods, semi-finished goods, class like that. You can select here. An account determination GL. Whatever you're creating account GL, you can select here. In FS00, we're creating GL. So if creating GL based on the GL account, we can create here raw material. Otherwise, system is not identification. What is the so based on the you are creating a GL account, system identification like that here. So we can select here raw material inventory like that. 200 109. Yeah, 200 inventory like that. So based on the this one transaction keys. So this is transaction keys and the valuation modifier and general modifier and price difference. So these factors will happen in FIT MME integration. So WRX is there, GRR clearing account. Once we give here valuation modifier, you can see here can create different GL is there. Here GRR clearing account. You can assign here GRR clear account. In transaction key is WRX. So validation modifier, validation modifier, validation class. You can see here validation class. So account. So you can 10507 is there. You can give here WRX. This one. Yeah. The GRR clear account. And the GRR clear account we can assign here. You can GRR clear account we can assign here 10507. So this is the once we had to go price difference. If we any price difference is there market, we can create an adjustment entry. So PRT. So the transaction key is there PRT. So PRT. Yes. Yeah. Price difference, cost difference here PRT. So you can see here valuation model, valuation grouping code, valuation modifier. So valuation class. And account is there. We can see price difference account 400,309. We can create an GL account in FS00 price difference. One more transaction is if the freight delivery is there, no? If any freight delivery charges also we can create one GL account. So general modifier. Okay. See general modifier, valuation modifier, valuation class is there. Next one is GBP is there. In GBP, so once once we to start from the production, the business start. That's why GBP or difference will happen in GBP. Yes. offsetting entry for inventory posting. This transaction keys. So mainly you are using like that. We can see well general modifier. We can observe here. Offsetting entry for inventory posting. So we can B6 WRX. We can see valuation modifier, valuation class, and a GL accounter. What you can see here, can you observe here? There is no not here. Only valuation modifier, valuation class is there, but GL account not there here. So general modifier you can here. So the offsetting entry, once we issue the stock from the production department, stock will automatically reduce the stock from the store department. So that's where GBP are creating here. It depends on three factors GBP. Mainly, we are using these transaction keys only: PRD, GBP, and BA6 WRX. Yeah, freight clearing, the part of freight clearing. So and yeah, maybe 6, 7 you are using like that. Maybe stock reverse. Maybe we can return the stock from the vendor like that. So based on the business requirement, we are using this one. So inventory post inventory well adjustment. If any stock adjustment is there, you can use a BSK. Any stock, okay, any change stock account is there, you can use a BSSK. So based on the valuation class, based upon the business requirement, so you can use the from the transaction keys. The main purpose of can transaction keys under account determination. And movement type, valuation modifier, general modifier is integration with the FI to MM integration. Yeah, so finally, I give conclusion about the FITM integration and P2 process also. See, real time what happened, we are not giving any blindly, so we are not creating one purchase order like we are not giving any payment like that. So if a production department needs some material, so the material, one material, so they first ask in the store department. The store department available, they will issue the stock from the plant. If not available stock from the store department, so they creating on the purchaser what their requirement, what type of material they want, so how much quantity or what is the price level. So after that, what happened? So they go to market and they are searching from the vendors who give best price or quantity, best quantity and the best price like that, and the inquiry. And after inquiry, they make one purchase order, purchase requisition, purchase order. After that, his process will come like the P2 process. FITM integration, these factors are including like that. OMSK, OMJJ, OMSK, OMJJ, OBYC. So valuation modifier and movement types and the transaction is GBP. These factors including the FITM integration. So that's all my end. Uh, any doubts? If I'm any missing point, please add me. Yeah. Any doubts, please ask me. If I'm any missing any point, please add me. Yes. If I'm any pocket.
Yeah, first of all, nice presentation, Harkrishna.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. So GBRS, you said something. What's that? The posting transaction key.
GBRS. GBRS.
Yeah.
Um, so post goods issue.
Mhm.
A post goods issue means on stock in real time, not one place is there. One plant on the plant. We had to different plant is okay. So if we take like example, manufacturing company in India is there. We had to Chennai, Bangalore, different something we have is there. So in Bangalore, so they need some raw material. So we have stock in Hyderabad location plant. So we had to transfer from the one plant another plant like that. After that, we had to reducing the stock. So the GBP, no, you're asking offsetting.
You said JBRS, so that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, one
GBB is
second.
okay, I know.
Yeah, GBRS. One second.
I think
G,
there is no GBRS, I guess. I think you said GVB, but fortunately,
I
maybe
think
GBP.
R
confused.
is one for freight charges, na?
FRD is FRA price that is there. CRP. One second.
Okay, all right. I think
Yeah, one second, no
GVRS
problem.
is, yeah,
No
yeah.
issue. One second, I will
You
check.
can check it. Yeah.
GBRS, huh?
You said GVRS. I don't know. You only said whenever you are explaining
Uh,
about a transaction.
GBRS. Maybe.
Maybe you confused GVB.
Yeah, maybe.
So
Okay. Yeah. Yes,
yeah,
yes, maybe.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. No issue at all. So yeah, any questions else regarding to FI2MM or else P2P? Please go ahead. So he's going to give an answer. Yeah, stop recording. Harsh.
Yeah. Okay.